Today we are going to learn how to find the number halfway between two multiples of 10. When finding the halfway number, we are looking for the number that is exactly in the middle of the two numbers. Let's work through the first example. What number is halfway between 30 and 40? First, look at the two numbers. We know that 30 and 40 are 10 apart. Half of 10 is 5. To find our number that is halfway between 30 and 40, we would either add 5 to 30 or subtract 5 from 40. Both of these will give us the same answer. 30 plus 5 is 35, and 40 minus 5 is 35. So, the number that is halfway between 30 and 40 is 35. Let's have a look at the second example. What number is halfway between 380 and 390? We know that the gap between 380 and 390 is 10. Half of 10 is 5, which means we either add 5 to 380 or subtract 5 from 390. 380 plus 5 is 385, and 390 minus 5 is also 385. So, the number between 380 and 390 is 385. Now it's your turn.